Today's word is essay. It is spelled as E-S-S-A-Y. It is used as a noun, not to be confused with the word assay, spelled as A-S-S-A-Y, which means to examine or analyze. It means a short piece of writing by a student as part of a course of study on a particular theme or subject. Generally, it is either analytic, speculative, or interpretive. Example sentence is, for homework, I want you to write an essay on the endangered species. Synonyms are article, composition. An essay can also be a proof of an unaccepted design for a stamp or piece of paper money. It can also mean an effort or an attempt to perform something. Essay implies difficulty but also suggests tentative trying or experimenting. For example, I will essay a dramatic role for the first time. This meaning can also be used as a verb. Synonyms are endeavor, assay. Essay, a short piece of writing on a particular subject.